Hi, for those of you who do not understand German, you can choose your own language subtitles in this German language video. After you download the video, you choose the little wheel settings and you click Subtitles. Then you click below off, you click German auto-generated, and again you choose auto-generated German. You click here, and below German you find auto-translate. Click auto-translate and you find a selection of almost all languages from Afrikaans to Zulu. Let's say you prefer Thai, you go to Thai and you have Thai Subtitles.
Herzlich willkommen hier im Gemeindehaus der evangelischen Auslandsgemeinde in Bangkok. Hier finden sonntags Gottesdienste statt. Ich begrüße unsere Gemeindemitglieder in Thailand und in den Nachbarländern.
In my case, it only works on the computer and at the moment not on my smartphone. Just try what works best with you. I would like to thank my friend Anke from Germany who gave me these most valuable advices. I'm happy about your feedback and wish you good luck. Stay healthy, protected, and blessed.